Hi everyone, welcome back. It is January, so we're like halfway through the school year, and I wanted to do a video to maybe help some of you out there who are new to homeschooling like myself and are wondering how to do a portfolio. So in my state we are required to do a portfolio, and so this is my portfolio and I'm going through it, just making sure things are up to date, and I thought, why not make a video? So this portfolio I labeled 2023 to 2024 school year. That's for my reference, but it's also good for the evaluator. And if you have more than one kid, you probably want to put their name on it. And even if you only have one kid, then you might want to put their name on it. And I got this binder at the Dollar Tree. Everything in here I got at the Dollar Tree, just trying to keep it as low cost as possible. And I did that in August, and all through the school year I've been adding things to it. So the first thing, I don't have it in here. I had to take some stuff out to show you guys, so I took out personal things. But the very first thing I have in the front is the letter of intent and the confirmation of homeschool. And then I got these folders. If you can see, they have like a little slip right here, and I haven't done it yet, I know, but I will do it. And each folder is going to have a class name. So I do reading, writing, math, science and tech, and then like arts. So that's how many folders I have. So this one would be labeled as the writing folder because that's the first thing we do in the week. And then as my daughter does her writing activities, I just put them in here, and I make sure to label the put the date on the things that she does. So this was for the new year. This was like a little writing activity that we did. And so that's all I do. As she goes through and does the activities for the day, at the end of the day, I just stick whatever loose papers I have in here. And I don't put any curriculum stuff in here unless I had to tear the pages out because we went on vacation or something. So the next one would be reading, and so then again, this is where I keep all her reading activities. The next one is math. So these are some math papers, a hundreds chart we were working on. I do have some laminated things here that we use, and I keep the laminated items in here just because it's easier for me to get a hold of, and don't really have another place for them. And maybe at the end of the year when the evaluator's looking to see what we used, I can show them we used these things to learn about money and shapes and all those good things. And then the next folder is the science folder. Here's some science activities that we did, and then some science manipulatives. I'll be using this in the spring, and this was our mushroom thing that we did in the fall, and a little bit about horse anatomy. And yeah, so I just keep whatever we're going to use or whatever I think's important for the evaluator to see. And then here I just have like a kindergarten goals sheet, so I can just briefly look at this and see like, oh, are we hitting these goals? I also write goals down when I do my schedule for the month, my plan for the month, but this is just like a nice little overview of goals. And then this is her arts and things, fun things that we do. And so I keep some examples of her artwork here. And then on this side, I have like classes that she does. And I took all that out because it has personal information. But all her classes and things we do, I would put here. So business cards and flyers and just anything from her classes I would put here. And then the last one is the book lists. So books that we read, I have here, and any type of field trips we do. And of course, again, I took out anything that had personal information on it. So these are just like some flyers from some of the field trips we went to, but like I would put receipts here from any museums that we visited. And for the book list, I just write out what books we read, but if you can get like a printout from your library, or if you buy books, receipt of the books that you buy. So all that stuff would go in here for field trips and books, and that is it, guys. And so that's how thick it is so far. It's getting thicker and thicker. I don't know what it'll look like at the end of the year, but just wanted to go through, make sure everything's looking good so far, and make a video for you guys so you can see how I do it. If you like this video, please give it a like, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.